Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our edition for today. We're talking about the news, the latest achievement at the Latom company. So stay tuned to get the news, everything that's happening this week. We are very happy to see you again, dear listeners and viewers. Stay tuned, it's happening now. Let's start with Haiti. Michael Saint-Louis Léger held a conference on the Electra Atom project in Haiti, which took place on April 25th. The conference was a success, with several people participating in a partner training session. Sessions were organized. Now, we would like to congratulate Michael for the work accomplished in Haiti, and we hope to see more conferences organized in the coming months. Let's talk about the race for partners. We'll start with Côte d'Ivoire, which is leading with Soro Vamara at $67,000. Second place goes to Ousmane Zongo from Burkina Faso with $62,000. And in third place is Vietnam, Tuan Lan Van, with $50,000. We would therefore like to encourage our representatives who are doing truly remarkable work in this race for partners. And here we are, just waiting for the end to see who will be the winner. Let me remind you that a Shanga Unique car will be awarded to the winner. So hurry up, increase your chances so you don't miss this opportunity. Now let's talk about the search for new leaders in countries such as Togo, Benin, and also Gabon. We are still looking for representatives. For all those who are interested, you can apply, get in touch with the representatives or the leaders of the Latom company, and your application will be reviewed if you have the skills required for this position. Let's talk about our roadmap. I would like to remind you that the roadmap is still ongoing and is currently being updated. Further changes are being made to the roadmap, since several important things have recently occurred within the company. And so we are obliged to review our strategy, reconsider our future, and revisit many points. For this reason, we are currently working on the roadmap, which will soon be available on the website. And so, anyone who is interested will be able to follow this roadmap to get more information and see how our project is progressing. The CEO traveled to Vietnam to meet with our representative, Ms. Huinj, who is also in Vietnam. She is the representative of the Electra Atom project in Vietnam. Discussions will therefore be arranged and initiated between the CEO and his representative. New agreements will be signed with Vietnam, and new opportunities will therefore be offered to everyone who wishes to join our project. I would like to remind you that the CEO is currently seeking new representatives as well, and so don't forget to submit your application. I want to remind all our friends that it is very important to pay for your investment packages, because it is thanks to your payments that we have the funds to acquire new equipment, to promote the project internationally, to acquire patents, and also to finance the advancement of this project. That is why we encourage people to purchase packages, but also not to fall behind on payments. Pay for your packages, and together we will be able to make this project a reality. So don't forget to follow this video on YouTube. Leave your comments, leave likes, and don't hesitate. For everyone who has questions or concerns, you can write them under the videos and we will do our best to respond to you. Thank you for watching this news update video. We'll see you next week. Goodbye.